Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Gonzalez and I am the Member Programs Manager here at the Canon. Today I am joined by Spencer with CryptoEQ and we're going to talk about some of the basics and getting started with cryptocurrency.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here, Melissa. We put this series together to help you have some practical, hands-on tips on how to get started in crypto. So we're going to walk you through some first steps that take you from uninitiated or just starting to learn about crypto to someone that's ready and prepared to start their crypto journey.
Awesome, thanks Spencer. So my first question for you is, what is a wallet?
That's a great one. So a wallet is similar to a billfold where you keep your cash, your physical cash. A crypto wallet is a place where you can store your crypto. What makes it different is because crypto is smart and programmable and digital, you need a secure solution to store your cryptocurrency. So crypto wallets are very straightforward. It's a place to store your crypto.
Awesome, thanks. And I've also heard the terms hot and cold. What does that mean?
It's a very important distinction when we talk about crypto wallets. A hot wallet is something that's online, whereas a cold wallet is something that's offline. Hot wallets are more for your kind of day-to-day spending, but we think of cold wallets as more of your crypto savings account. That's where you would put long-term value and value that you want to be most secure and offline.
Got it, awesome. So if I am brand new to crypto and I am looking how to buy, where to buy, what are your recommendations?
Yeah, our top three recommendations that we've referred folks to at CryptoEQ.io are Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken. Those are all three crypto exchanges or marketplaces where you can onboard into the crypto sphere and take some of your cash, your fiat, your dollars, and convert it to a cryptocurrency.
Got it. So what are your recommendations for buying, sending, and storing crypto?
Well, if you want to be the most secure, I recommend buying blue chip crypto assets. We talk about some of the blue chip crypto assets in our other segments in our series here for the Crypto Starter Pack. Those would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins. Those are your lowest risk. And putting those in a very secure solution in cold storage. So if you're getting started, that's the most secure. If you're thinking about smaller amounts and you're thinking about things that you kind of want to spend or small amounts of money, then hot wallets are great. You can use some of the wallets on cryptocurrency exchanges to keep smaller amounts of crypto safe.
Awesome, thank you, Spencer. And final question for you, how does CryptoEQ support users? Where can they go to find out resources and learn more?
Yeah, our vision for CryptoEQ is to be that go-to and that North Star you can look to help you along your journey in crypto. So if Coinbase and things like it are helping you onboard and convert your money to a crypto, we're helping you learn about which cryptos you may want to have exposure to, when is a good time to enter the market, when it's a good time to exit the market, and some of the fundamental things you need to really be prepared to start your crypto journey.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Spencer. I enjoyed chatting with you today. To learn more, please visit www.cryptoeq.io.